Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, yesterday, did you complete the worksheet? All 30 sentences? All of you did that?
Yes, ma'am.
Had we discussed the answers of the remaining ones?
Ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Today in 6th
Ma'am,
period, you have a combined class with 4th A. So we are going to do SST in that period. Right now, take out your English creative writing copies.
Ma'am, means today we will have 3 periods.
Yes, today we have 3 classes, 1 combined and 2 separate.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everybody take out your English creative writing copies. I'm going
Ma'am,
to
take it
share,
out.
I'm going to share a screen with you. You have to read this unseen passage. See, children, we have done almost I think 4 or 5 unseen passages. How many unseen passages we have done? I think this will be the 4th one. Is it? Yes or no?
Ma'am, firstly we have done the first one is that Golu Molu one.
No,
And then
before
we have
Golu Molu, we had done one on forests also. I think something was there on trees or something.
Yes, ma'am, trees one also.
One on trees.
And about
Golu Molu.
beers.
About beer.
Good morning, ma'am. River.
And one on mouse, the poem that we did on mouse.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, river.
Yes, river. So many we have done. So all those unseen passages are different from each other. Like the Golu Molu one had only question answers, right? Before that, there were, I think, fill in the blanks or something. So all unseen passages, they can be used, they can come in any form. They can be asked, they can put up questions like true and false. They can put up questions like fill in the blanks, complete the sentences, answer the following questions. Different ways of answering unseen passages.
Who
Yes.
said to whom?
Yes, of course. Who said to whom in stories and all. If the unseen passage is based on
They can come in
story.
exam.
Yes, unseen passages are coming in your English creative writing. Now again today,
Passages that passages we have to write or ma'am.
No, you don't have to write the passage. You only have to answer the questions. And that too, what
Ma'am, please see my stand.
what stand is it, Shobit? Mobile stand.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Very nice.
Just camera.
Okay, Varshita, are you saying something?
Ma'am, I was just saying good morning.
Okay, good morning. Now all of you get ready to see the screen. Read this passage very carefully. Write down difficult words in the copy. Need not write the whole passage. Just write down these difficult words. Whatever word is difficult for you, write it down.
Okay, ma'am.
I think you'll have to read it at least 2 times to understand.
Please
Yes.
send this on the WhatsApp group. Ma'am, I cannot see it clearly. Ma'am, I can't see
Okay, beta.
your screen clearly.
All right, I will send it on the classroom.
Ma'am, we will write this passage.
No, beta. You will not write this passage. You will only read it and you will write question answers. Whatever question answers are there, that you have to write in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you know who Florence Nightingale was?
What is ma'am? What is
What is?
this?
This is unseen passage. You have to read this passage and you have to write, you have to answer the questions that are given.
Ma'am, you send in WhatsApp also.
Yes, beta, I have said.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have the questions also.
Yes, beta, I have sent the whole picture. Please see on the classroom.
Ma'am, can you explain this to passage? I can't understand.
What?
Ma'am, can you explain this as? Can we write this
Yes,
question?
ma'am. Me too.
I can't understand what Jaskaran is saying.
Ma'am, I am saying that.
Ma'am, Jaskaran is saying that.
One by one, children. Just one person is enough.
Ma'am, I am saying that. Can you explain this passage? I can understand.
Okay, which line you cannot understand? Tell me.
Ma'am, the
Who is this? Who is not muted in class?
Ma'am, Rana.
Raina, please mute yourself, beta.
Ma'am, Rana.
Okay, which line you cannot understand? Tell me.
Ma'am, the full passage, ma'am.
Beta, full paragraph. Now, see, such kind of a thing, if you're going to get an exam, how are you going to do it? Who will explain you an exam? Tell me.
Ma'am, your voice is coming so low.
Okay, what is the first line? Jaskaran will only read it.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I have to zoom. Florence Nightingale was popularly known as the lady with the lamp.
Okay, stop.
She
Now,
was sent
stop,
to-
stop. See, the first line. You understood the first line?
Ma'am, she was called a lady with the lamp, but I can't understand why.
No, they have not explained it only in the first line. Why she was known as Lady with the Lamp. They have just told that she was known as Florence Nightingale was popularly known as the Lady with the Lamp. That means we are talking about a woman over here, a lady in this paragraph. Now, what is the next line? She was, read it out.
She was sent to Crimea. Britain and France were fighting against Russia.
Okay, wait. She was sent to Crimea. Crimea is a place. Okay, we don't know which place. Let's leave it aside. Where this Crimea is, we don't know. But she was sent to Crimea. Britain and France were fighting against Russia. Now, there was a fight going on against Russia. And who was fighting against Russia?
Ma'am, Britain and France.
Britain and France. Okay. Then next line.
She was called to take she was called to take over the Barrack Hospital, which was in a very bad shape.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
I am saying what it means, ma'am. In
okay,
a
I will tell you.
short-
She was called to take over the Barak Hospital. Okay, now she was called to take over. That means that this lady was sent to Crimea and she was asked to take over this hospital.
Ma'am, do we
Which
have to
was
write the
in a
story?
very bad shape. Which was in a very bad shape means that the hospital was not in a good shape. That means the condition of that hospital, the patients in the hospital were very bad. They were in a very bad state. It in a bad state means in a poor condition. Then next line.
Her task was her task was difficult. Florence happily accepted it as the will of God.
Okay. Though the task was difficult, this task was taking over the Barak hospital to look after the patients. It was a very difficult task, but still Florence happily accepted it to the as thinking that it is the will of the God. God wants her to do this, so she happily accepted this challenge, you can say. Okay, she accepted this work, this task. Then
She collected 38 nurses and started for surgery.
Q3. It is a place. She collected now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write it difficult words. And we have to write it difficult words in this.
Yes, you have to write difficult words. Now, she collected
Okay,
what
ma'am.
Florence did. Now, when she knew that she had to take care of that hospital, the patients, the people in the hospital. So, she took 38 nurses. She took 38 nurses along with her and started for Q3. It is a place only. It is a place where she was supposed to go. She found the conditions at the hospital horrible. This line is very easy. I need not explain it. Florence worked day and night. She would visit the patients with an old Italian lamp in her hand. Jaskaran, it's fine, or you need to understand it? You want me to explain this line?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of she found the condition at the hospital horrible?
She found the conditions at the hospital horrible. Like when she went to the hospital, what she found there, the condition. You understand the meaning of condition? Halat, right? She found the condition at the hospital very bad. It was horrible. Why? Because the soldiers were very badly hurt. They're talking about, see, in the second line, what they had spoken of, they had spoken of a war, a fight against Russia. There was some kind of a, yes.
Ma'am, what is this written? The first paragraph, happily, after happily.
Accepted. Accept is to take something, to agree to something.
So, ma'am, we will form our own difficult words from the story.
Yes, now like for her, accepted was a difficult word. She asked me. Jaskaran is asking the meaning of, she found the conditions at hospital horrible. That means horrible is a difficult word over here.
And ma'am, we have to write the passage also.
No, you don't have to write the passage. You only have to read it and answer the questions. Now further, you want me to explain it? This passage, you want me to explain it further?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this first line, it is written, ma'am, like she was sent to Crimea. Ma'am, so this is a difficult word, ma'am.
No, beta, it is the name of a place, Crimea. Crimea is...
Ma'am,
Yes.
The last paragraph after bean, what is this written?
I think horrible is a difficult word.
Horrible. Yes, horrible. You can find it out what it means. Horrible is something very bad.
No, the last paragraph after
Last,
bean.
last paragraph, which line?
The second line after bean.
Read it out.
Okay, ma'am. When the war entered Florence, came back to England. The people of England had been, ma'am, now.
Okay, the people of England had been eagerly waiting for this great angel. Eagerly means desperately. They were very excited to meet this great angel.
So, ma'am, approximately we have to write 10 difficult words.
No, beta. If you feel that there are only 3 difficult words according to you, you can write 3. If you find there are 15 words in the in this passage which are difficult, you can write 15. All the words that are difficult for your understanding. And if you don't understand the passage in once, read it twice, read it thrice. You're definitely going to understand what it means to say. The whole idea of the passage would be clear, not in once. I know, so I told you in the beginning, you might have to read it 2 times at least. If you even don't understand in 2 times, read it for the 3rd time, 4th time. So many things will be clear then.
Ma'am, how many words you have written? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this one write the most appropriate options. In the second, collecting a team of 30 nurses, Florence went to ma'am. That it is the answer of
Yes.
SCUTRY.
Yes. 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 That's the answer.
Ma'am, how you pronounce it?
Q3. I think the pronunciation is Q3. Let me just check the pronunciation. Skuttery. It's skuttery. Not skuttery. Skuttery.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the last paragraph? This after grand, second after grand.
After grand. Where is after grand? Which line?
Ma'am, the second paragraph. Ma'am, the third paragraph, second line.
The people of England had been eagerly waiting for this great angel. However, she never liked crowds and grand receptions.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, after receptions, what is this?
Although she was exhausted after the war, she
Okay.
continued her efforts to develop the profession of nurses.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have read this paragraph, so I am writing the difficult words front of them. Can I write their meanings also?
Yes, definitely you have to write the meaning.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you will do this work. You will write difficult words. You will find the meanings of those words and write it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I write answers only in the fill in the blanks?
Okay, write them.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you have sent on group.
Yes, beta, I have sent.
Ma'am, we write the questions
Ma'am,
also.
please send again. Ma'am, I have not got.
Beta, check the group properly.
Ma'am, I have checked. Send again. We have to not write the passage only their exercises.
Yes, you don't have to write the passage, only the exercises. Beta.
Aran has
And
sent it.
difficult words also.
Ma'am, this is true story.
Yes, this is true story.
Ma'am, we write the question also, write the most, ma'am, this A exercise.
No. Don't write the question, just write the whole sentence. The Barak hospital was not in a dash.
Ma'am, this we write.
Yes, this you have to write.
Ma'am, please send.
Beta, it has been sent twice. Okay, Arhan deleted it. I'll send it. Now check.
Ma'am, this we have to write difficult word in exams also.
No, beta, no. Not in exams, but for your practice, I'm just making you write. It's good to learn words, no, with their meanings, new words with their meanings. They're going to help you in future.
Ma'am, what we have to do in question A? Ma'am, what is the meaning of appropriate?
Appropriate. Appropriate means correct. Write the
Ma'am,
most
what we
appropriate.
have to do in question A?
Beta, that is what I'm telling. Write the most appropriate options, most correct options. From the passage, you have to find out the most correct option and write.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the fill in the blanks.
A exercise. The second question I don't understand.
A exercise, second question. Collecting a team of 38 nurses, they have written 30 nurses here, it is 38 nurses. Florence went to, where did she go? She went to what place? See, it is so clearly written, beta. Second,
Okay.
now see, pay attention to the second paragraph, first line. She collected 38 nurses and started for Scuttery. Started means she was planning to go over there.
Okay.
At 8 o'clock in the morning, we started for Delhi. So that means we are going where? We are going to Delhi.
Ma'am, what we have to do in the B exercise? I can't understand it.
Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Now, Florence Nightingale was a dash. Was what? Sorry, was dash by the Queen for her efforts. Now, see, let's find out in the paragraph. Florence Nightingale was
Ma'am, honored.
very nice, very good. She was honored by the Queen or by the Queen for her efforts. Now, for her efforts to do what? To see, it is written, it is clearly written in the paragraph. She continued her efforts to dash the profession of nurses and develop. Now, read the whole line once again. Florence Nightingale was honored by the Queen for her efforts to develop the nursing profession. Patients dash her deeply. Now, patients what her deeply? Did patients like her?
No.
Yes. Did they love her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
come here in the blank?
Ma'am, that patients love her deeply because she was very dash.
She was very dash. Now, what kind of a lady was she? Was she a very caring kind of a nurse?
Good. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think she is a nana who helps people and helps poor children.
No, beta, she helped out soldiers. The soldiers who were injured during the war.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll up for a while? Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, now you can scroll down. Ma'am, what will be the answer after I love her deep? Patients love her deeply because she was very
Caring.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we have to do in the third exercise?
Third exercise, you have to find word or phrase from the passage which means the same as following. In paragraph 2 and paragraph 3, there are words given which mean the same like reflection. Now just try to find out which word means reflection and which word means tired.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't tell the answer,
Ma'am.
just write it to yourself. Yes, Yatharth?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am done. Can I send on the WhatsApp?
No, beta, don't send. We will discuss the answers in the last 2 minutes.
Okay.
Just
Okay,
last 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I have written all the difficult words.
Children, all of you have done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you still need time, we can discuss the answers in the 5th period. No worries. You still need this whole period to do this?
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, please